Okay, I'm here at a job that we just did. We installed the outdoor sump pump, and I figured we'll take a look at it. Okay, so here it is, the outdoor sump pump. We got the concrete catch basin with the iron frame and grate. We've had the electrician come and install the wiring after we ran the conduit. Now, if you look down in there, take off the grate, very accessible, okay? You can see our drainage system draining directly into the catch basin. You've got your electrical conduit, 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC ejection line with check valve, and then you have your pump in the bottom, and it works extremely well. In fact, this yard here, what we did was we installed a trench drain, which is perforated PVC, and we routed it directly into the catch basin. The trench drain extends out all the way down the yard. We also connected downspouts from the property on the far end over there, and tied them all into the system. The sump pump ejection line is tied in, and yeah, we're going to take a walk over there and take a look. But yeah, this thing is working great, and with all the rain that we've had, if this pump were not installed, what would happen is you would have had basically a lake here. Everything would be underground. So here's your trench drain. It's 4-inch PVC perforated, surrounded by clean gravel. The gravel and the pipe is wrapped with filter fabric, and then we have decorative riverstone along the surface. And what we did here was, well, our sump pump ejection line, you really can't see it, it's below grade over there behind the air conditioners. And of course we have our correct fittings here. This is all tied into the system. We installed cap surface drains on this side as well. Here's your cap surface drain to allow surface water to drain. And we also have a drain box here, and that's all connected to the system. So there you have it, and we'll talk to you soon.